Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate rank in Excel. Okay, so if you want to calculate rank in Excel, this video will show you how to do that. Okay, here you will see this is salesperson. I have three columns: salesperson, sales value, and rank. And this is the salesperson. Okay, this is Subham Pandey's salesperson, and the value, sales value he provided, this is the value. Okay, now I want to calculate all the salesperson's rank. Okay, who has highest sale and who has lowest sale. Okay, so for that I have to rank every salesman, okay, or salesperson. Okay, so what you have to do here, I will here in the rank column I will get the rank. Okay, to calculate the rank you have to just type equals to, then rank. Okay, then this is compatibility function. In the here you will see rank, then first thing it will ask for number. Okay, so I want to find out this Subham Pandey's rank, so I have to pick this sales value. Okay, sales value of Subham Pandey, then comma, then it will ask for reference. So for the reference I have to pick all the sales value. Okay, so you have to pick all the sales value. Now next thing what you have to do, you have to just lock these cells E6 to E13. Okay, so that when we drag down this value will not change. Okay, so you have to lock that, you have to just press F4, and again I am going to lock this one also, F4. Okay, then you have to put comma, and then here you will see options descending or ascending. Descending means the rank will start from 1. Okay, means the person who get one first rank is or has highest sales value, and if I go to ascending, it means the person who get first rank has lowest sales value. So I want this descending order. Okay, then bracket close, and so you will see this is 6 numbers. The Subham Pandey is six numbers sales person. Okay, rank wise. So here you will see this Houston has highest sales value, so he get first rank. So like this you can calculate rank in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for